We go in there and we will manipulate the joint very gently. We'll just go click and it'll start to move again. And you people hear a click. That click is nitrogen gas and fluid going into the joints. It's like oiling the joint. Now it's moving. Since it's moving, it's going to rebuild the cartilage again. So the cartilage in the joints, in the facet joints here and the main joint, will start to rebuild. Sometimes they stick back up, so you have to have it done repetitively over anywhere from 30 to 90 days, sometimes even 6 months. But most likely in a 2-month period, they're moving a whole lot better and they're getting out of pain, if not completely out of pain.